Looking to become a certified and trained electrician apprentice? Here's how it works. Step 1. Enroll for our online apprentice course. Step 2. Complete the online certification and training course. Step 3. After passing your online training course, you will receive your digital/printable trade certificate in your course account. Step 4. Apply for an entry-level apprentice position with a company or business requiring employees. Note: make sure to have your resume set prior to applying for employment with your credentials. Step 5. Complete the required hours necessary by your county or state to become a journeyman while employed. This is after you graduated from our apprentice course program. Note: Step 5 may not be required depending on your county or state. Becoming an electrician apprentice with DMAC Tech Trade School is easy. Begin your 4-week certification and training course today. We look forward to your success.